guys, this is Avish Patwal from IntelliRise Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to present a session on features of AngularJS. There are many of the features of AngularJS. Some of the features are data binding, routing, directives, validations, templates, dependency injections, and the last is testing. We will be discussing all these features of AngularJS in these sessions. So first of all, data binding. Data binding is your very important features of an AngularJS. It is the automatic synchronization of the data between the model and view. Whenever the model changes in the whenever the model changes, that change is reflected in the view and vice versa. That means whenever you update the model, the view also changes. Okay, so this is very important features of your AngularJS. Next is routing. Routing is basically the concept of single page application, SPAs. So SPA is a single page application. Single page application is that application which consists of many views, and these views can be loaded as a result of user action. Here user action it means that the click of your any event, or we can say when you are typing the URL in your browser. Okay, single page application is very important, or we can say AngularJS helps in creating the single page application. We have generally seen that if we want to load a particular section of a page, then in traditional app we have to load the whole page, but in single page application, if you want to load a particular section, then only that particular section will be loaded without reloading the whole page. So this is an advantage of a single page application, which can be achieved by using the routing and with the help of AngularJS. Next is directives. AngularJS, it provides many of the inbuilt directives for its user. Directives are used for performing different functions on the DOM element. Many of the directives are there. Some of the examples you can see which have been discussed, or we can say which have been used in our previous sessions or in the previous projects or in the previous sessions. Okay, so some of them are ngapp, which it is a predefined directive, so it defines the root element of your AngularJS. ngModel is also a predefined directive which binds your HTML elements. Then ngBind, ngShow and ngHide. These two are the animations, means predefined directive of animations. ngControllers, it is used to for defining the controller in our project. So these are some of the examples. Some of the directives, more directives we will be learning in our next sessions. Then it comes your validations. This is another feature of an AngularJS. AngularJS enables or provides its user the form validation. Well, you know all about forms. What are forms? Forms, it is the collection of controls. If you talk about a login form, any login form, but when you see a login form, so it asks your name or any other details. Okay, so there you can see there contains many controls such as your text box or the text area, many buttons, drop down box, and many more. So these are all controls. Okay, so this is a form. What about validation? Validation means that it ensures your user to fill each and every entry in the form correctly. You have seen many of the times that when you entered a wrong information about yourself, or if you skip any information in any of the form details, so it will show an error that you have not entered this. So this is the known as validation, and AngularJS enables you for the form validations. Next is templates. Templates is just like a plain old HTML page, and it contains some of the instruction which tells how model is projected into the view, and this creates a tight workflow between the designers and the developer. This is a main advantage of templates. Then next is dependency injection. So dependency injection is injecting of your data in the DOM element dynamically without loading the page again and again, and the advantage is that it saves your data and also helps the developer by making the application very easy to develop. Okay, and easy to understand or also for the testing purpose. Next is testing, which is the last feature of your AngularJS. We know that JavaScript is an interpreted language. It is not a compile. Rather than compile, it is an interpreted language, and it is very important for the developers to adopt a mindset for the developer to test any application. So AngularJS is written purely from the ground level for the testing neck. Okay, so this is some of the features of AngularJS. There are many of the AngularJS service features. Some of them are services and many more, which is provided by the AngularJS. So for this, that's all for today's session. For more updates, please stay tuned to Intelearn.in. Thank you.